Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. For today's video, let's continue our tour here in Barcelona. But before anything else, again, I would like to say thank you for watching my previous upload. So right now guys, since medyo pa night time na, so maglalakad lang tayo dito from the Port Vell until ma-reach natin sa Barcelona Blue, the Barcelona Beach. And then right after here, of course, we got to continue gelato tayo. This is our last night here in Barcelona. And tomorrow, we're heading to Madrid. So, hindi natin palalagpasin yung gelato experience sa may Carambola. So, yeah, thank you again guys for watching and see you to our next video. Bye now!